Multi-cap fund versus multi-asset allocation fund. Key differences. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to break down the differences between multi-cap funds and multi-asset allocation funds. These two types of mutual funds offer diversified exposure but in very different ways. Let's understand the key differences and help you decide which might be suitable for your portfolio. What is a multi-cap fund? A multi-cap fund is an equity mutual fund that invests in a mix of large, mid, and small cap stocks. The fund must allocate at least 25% each to large, mid, and small cap stocks. The remaining 25% can be invested based on market conditions. The main benefit of multi-cap funds is the balance between risk and return. Large cap stocks provide relative stability, while mid and small cap stocks offer relatively better growth potential in long term. However, because of the allocation to smaller, more volatile stocks, these funds tend to carry a higher risk compared to funds that invest solely in large caps. What is a multi-asset allocation fund? On the other hand, multi-asset allocation funds invest across different asset classes, including equities, debt, and often a third asset such as gold or cash equivalents. These funds are more flexible as the fund manager can shift allocations based on market conditions to optimize returns and minimize risk. SEBI requires multi-asset allocation funds to invest in at least 3 asset classes with a minimum of 10% in each. This flexibility helps manage risk more effectively by diversifying across different assets with varying risk profiles. Key differences between multi-cap and multi-asset allocation funds. Asset mix. Multi-cap funds focus solely on equities across large, mid, and small caps. Multi-asset allocation funds diversify across multiple asset classes including equities, bonds, and gold. Flexibility. Multi-asset allocation funds are dynamically managed, adjusting allocations based on market trends. Multi-cap funds have less flexibility as they need to follow specific allocation limits for each market cap segment. Risk. Multi-asset allocation funds have a lower risk profile due to the diversified nature of their investments. Multi-cap funds carry higher risk, mainly because of their focus on equities, particularly mid and small cap stocks. Volatility. Multi-asset allocation funds are less volatile due to their mix of assets such as bonds and gold. Multi-cap funds can be more volatile, especially in market downturns due to their heavy reliance on equities. Which fund is suitable for you? For investors with a high risk tolerance and long-term investment horizon, multi-cap funds could be a suitable option, as they offer significant growth potential. If you prefer a more balanced approach with reduced volatility, multi-asset allocation funds may be more suitable. To wrap it up, the choice between multi-cap and multi-asset allocation funds depends on your risk appetite and investment goals. Be sure to assess your needs before making a decision, and if needed, consult a financial advisor. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more investing insights. Thanks for watching. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.